Are you looking for something to keep your kids busy on a rainy day? Well, Dr. Ron and Eva Pearce from the Colorado Springs Science Festival are here with us for some summer science fun. So what do we have here, Dr. Ron?
Well, the first experiment that we have here, Lauren, is an experiment that's on the Fox 21 website for kids, and it's the making of butter. And what we have in this first vial right here is a little vial with a screw cap, top cap that's full of heavy whipping cream. And if you shake it, and I'll have you do that, in about a minute what'll happen is, and you can set that down, it'll change into whipped cream, and then it doesn't move at all. But if you keep shaking it for a couple of minutes, then what we have here is a little ball of butter.
Oh, yeah.
So you'll literally make butter. Any sort of screw top cap will work, like a baby food jar. You can put like a gummy bear in it to help it agitate. And the reason it does this is that it will cause all the globs of fat that's in the heavy whipping cream to start coming together, which makes the whipped cream, and then you mush more of them together and it makes the ball of butter.
And you can actually use it and eat it?
You can use it and eat it on a saltine cracker, and it tastes really, really great.
Well, that's kind of fun. You have another experiment for us as well, don't you?
And you're going to get a chance to be a magician here, Lauren.
All right.
And this goes with the theme of changing what starts out to be a liquid into a solid. Now we have this liquid right here that looks like water, and what you're going to do is you're going to change it into a solid by using a magic wand and a magic word.
Do I get to wear the goggles? Because I was promised goggles.
You do.
Right.
So you were promised goggles, so I'll have you put those on.
All right.
And I'm going to put mine on.
Make me nice and official.
Now let me give you your magic wand. I'd like you to hold it like this, and this is what you're going to do.
Right.
You're going to wave the wand over the top of the flask, and right in the middle, tap it 3 times.
Okay.
And as you tap it, say the magic word, and if you have magic, it'll change.
And what's the magic word?
You're the magician, so you have to come up with the magic word.
I'll be kind of lame and just say abracadabra.
Abracadabra's good. So, abracadabra, I have no magic.
All right,
it's all
so
yours.
now I try it, okay? Abracadabra? No way! So how did I do that?
Compared to the other one?
Hello?
And Lauren indeed has magic here. What we had was what's called a super saturated solution. We had more of this salt dissolved in there that can really dissolve. On the end of your wand, there was a little tiny crystal, and it hit in there, and it caused it to all crystallize. If you put your hand on the bottom of it, it's warm.
Oh, yeah.
You can buy this stuff at ski supply places that are used for hand warmers, except they have a little piece of metal rather than something on your wand. So you did a great job of being a magician there.
I feel like a scientist. Right. Now, also tell me about, you guys have a big event coming up, right?
Yes, every year we do something called the Science Festival, and it's a week-long program. And it's a programming of the Future Science Center for here in Colorado Springs. And the wonderful thing that Ron does at one of our events is called Cool Science Carnival Day. It's held at UCCS, and it is literally science for all ages and a little bit of science from all over areas, math, science, engineering, you name it.
Well, very
and
cool.
then we also have 2 big neat things coming up, and that's Icarus, Edge of Time, in which it's actually a science movie in conjunction with the Colorado Springs Youth Symphony.
All right, and we're going to have all the information on your screen and, of course, also on our website.
Yes.
So thank you so much for coming here and showing us all this cool stuff.
You're welcome, Lauren.
Thank you.